Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. I just got this new item from Ikea. It's called Dimforsen Washcloth, which is white, and it's also 30 times 30 cm. And this is the details. And it's actually came in 4 packs, 4 pieces actually. So let's look into the some of the pictures and details. Yeah, okay, from this Ikea app. Okay. Alright, that's it. And then this is it. So it's only 9 ringgit. Okay. Option 2. So option, you can go for white, turquoise, grey. Okay, so there's strips. Oh, I got white. And then sizes. 30, and then 40, 40, 70, and 71, 40. I don't know much of the other variants, but mine's 30, that's 9 ringgit. And then product details. Okay. All right. Done. Yeah. Okay, and yeah, and cotton, 80% cotton and 20% viscose rayon. So yeah, this is the product. So yeah, let's unboxing. Very simple. So let me open it. This is the bag. Alright, nothing much. Yeah, done. So yeah, there's a 4 actually. I already take one. So it's the same thing. So here is the details. Alright. Okay, so here is the product. Look at the quality. It's not that tough build, but I would say it's considered okay for money. All right, yeah, that's it. Yeah, there's a hang here for you to hang it behind, and it will be like this big. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.